Good evening, everybody. I'm Dario Sattui. This is my home, which I'd like to welcome you to. I bought this property because I love it. It's 171 acres. It's a beautiful Victorian from 1877, and subsequently I decided to build a castle and make Italian-style wines. Tonight, Irina and I are going to make spaghetti alle Vongole, and we're pairing it with Pinot Grigio. Firstly, let me introduce my fiance, Irina Yartseva, the love of my life. This is a family tradition here. We don't have a lot of ingredients we use. 4 pounds of clams, a little bit of salt, olive oil, parsley, diced garlic, and then of course you need really good spaghetti.
I like to put a little bit of Italian herbs and pepperoncino.
We're going to pair the spaghetti and clams with Pinot Grigio. And Pinot Grigio is a light to medium-bodied wine that's crisp, has good acid, and it'll pair perfectly with the dish we're going to make. The first thing we do, we soak the clams in water because often the clams are really sandy.
The water is boiling, so we will get all of the salt right here. A lot of salt.
Ooh.
We'll put, of course, olive oil. Garlic, a little bit of Italian herb.
Yeah, see, I didn't know you did that.
And then pepperoncino. Okay, now we put the clam. What do I do? Usually I stir it. And then just let it sit. Till you hear this beautiful sound when they open. Now, I believe the clams are ready. Just cover it and let it sit. Okay, the pasta is ready. The clams are ready. Pasta first. Clams, I put it on the side.
We just enjoyed a great meal with our 2 guests in Irina, also the Pinot Grigio, which was great. The wine brings out the flavor of the food, and in turn, the food brings out the flavor of the wine. It's a perfect combination. We want you to try this recipe at home. Tell us how you liked it, and hopefully we presented something for you that you will really enjoy. Send us a photo, and we look forward to seeing you next time.